So I have Elephant SQL already open and logged in our account. Now I'm going to access our database instance by clicking here on Course DB. And now to access the query editor, let's click here on the left side menu on Browser. So here we have our query editor. Let's start by typing the expression select and the name of the columns that we want to use on our query, which are date, country, and revenue. It's important to pay attention and make sure that you are spelling all the column names exactly the way they are written on your database. And after every column name, use a comma, except for the last column name, which in our case is the revenue. You should leave without a comma. Now I'm going to jump to the next line and write our second expression. So now we are using the expression from and the name of the database table that we want to extract data from, which is sales_SA. And if we run this query, it will already bring a result. The result has the 3 columns we asked for here, date, country, and revenue. So let's click here on execute to run the query. We can see that the query is working, and now we can also include our condition, which is to bring only Spanish-speaking countries. To write the condition, we are going to use the expression where and the condition that we want to write. So let's jump another line, write the expression where and the logical condition, which is language equal Spanish. It's important to use quotation marks here before the word Spanish. So make sure you're using the simple quotation marks. And now we can run our query and make sure that the query is also working here with our language condition applied. And running this query, you can see that we have the same result in terms of columns, but now without results for the country Brazil. If we scroll down here a little, we are going to see that we have Argentina, and right after Argentina we are going to have probably Chile, but not Brazil, as the language spoken in Brazil is Portuguese. And we just added this condition here that we are only going to have Spanish-speaking countries on our result table. So in this class we built our first query. In the second part of this class, we are going to dive deeper into Postgres logic, and we are going to build a query grouping the sales results.